right now, I just started shorting RSVA. I'm up currently $171. I have $25.98 as my cost basis. For anyone who is confused why I'm shorting this play, it really just comes down to the trend line. We have RSVA holding this uptrend the entire time. Notice how many examples we have when the trend line crosses from the bullish side to the bearish side, the stock starts getting extremely weak. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Notice how the stock is falling. I'm currently up $1,000 at this time. Was that anything, right? Was that anything odd? Was that anything Deck saying, oh my goodness, Deck, you're incredible? Guys, I'm not incredible. This is just, again, easy stock trading, where we can see once the stock goes from the bullish side to the bearish side, we have a great opportunity for this stock to start falling and looking weaker. So again, right now, seeing the stock go from the bullish side to the bearish side, I would like to see this one fall back down towards underneath $25. If this could go underneath the VWAP, oh, I mean, we'd get paid out huge. But we do know the VWAP is going to be a pretty strong support line, so we do need to be aware of that the VWAP could be a strong support line where the stock could hold on up slightly. So right now, I'm currently up about $832. I'm going to lock in half my profits. Why? It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Better be safe than sorry. So I'm going to lock in half my profits, and I would get out if it comes back up to my entry. My entry right now is $25.86. If I see $25.86, I'm going to get out. It's impossible for me to lose. I already locked in money. So again, just a little easy strategy. We haven't been seeing, again, too many big-time breakouts yet, and I just want to make sure if I'm trading, I'm doing everything the right way. So right now, again, I'm still up about $932 on the day, looking for the bids to start getting a little bit weaker, and I'm just going to take my gains right there. Okay, and I'm out. So again, made about $482 right there. Took a win, won $482. Not bad. Currently up $762 on the day. But again, look how predictable that was, right? So awesome to see right there out of pure predictability. Now, again, this stock's trying to bounce its way back on up a little bit. Let's see how high this goes. I may look for another reshort, right? I may look for another reshorting opportunity because this one, again, still moving its way on up. RSVA getting a little bit of climbing. And RSVA, I'm actually going to reshort this play right here. Popping back up towards, again, the trend line. I'm back in on the short side now. Back in on the short side at 26.57. That's my cost basis. Deck, why are you shorting this play? Because we wanted the stock to crack the VWAP. It didn't crack the VWAP, started bouncing off of it. But that doesn't change the fact that it's still bearish on this trend line. And now, again, what was old support, notice how the stock kept holding up as support right here and right here and right here. Now we flip this bad boy around right here. Now what is this holding up as? Now this is holding up as resistance. So again, we did have support, support, support. Stock bounced right off the VWAP. Now we're up holding as resistance, and we're currently up $2,500, right? So we're currently up $2,500 at this moment just because we know the stock is going to have some sort of reversal at this point. So trend line's holding strong at this moment. We do have the stock starting to get a little bit weaker at this time, and we're seeing if the stock's going to get a nice little drop. So again, once again, we're in on 2,000 shares at 26.57. We'll say to ourselves, hey, you know what? If this one starts getting back up near around $26, we'll lock in half our shares and we'll make our other half our stop loss. But right now, RSVA, I'm happy on where we're at because I do think this one is due for that, again, possible big drop soon. But I have a great entry right now, 26.57. That's right up near that trend line area, and we know that trend line is going to be a strong resistance. So again, it's an amazing entry where we're at right now, currently up $1,900 on the day. So again, not too shabby, not too bad. Stock came right on up, got a nice little drop. And the thing is, as I said, team, it doesn't matter if you make money first in the market. Right now, again, it's 10:25. I've had to wait almost an hour before, again, I started trading. I had to wait, almost an hour before I started making money, right? And I know that's like, it's stock traders, guys, are the biggest complainers in the world. Oh, Deck, I don't want to wait an hour to make $2,300, right? We're the biggest complainers in the world sometimes. But the thing is, we just need to stay patient. I know right at 9:30, we all want to make money right away. 9:30, boom, we want to make money right away. But that's not the best thing to do, right? Sometimes the best thing to do is sit back, stay smart, wait for an easy trend line setup. And once the trend line starts cracking, we say, hey, let's absolutely crush it. So RSVA, we're still holding this play right now. Why are we holding this play? Came up towards, again, that top area. I am going to lock in half my shares right here, which I said I would. And now, again, I locked in half my shares. Now my stop loss, team, I will not allow this play to go above 26.25. My entry's at 26.58. I already locked in half my shares. There's no way I'm losing this play. It's impossible. It's literally impossible for me to lose, and I'm out. And I just made $1,300. So I'm out of this play, made $1,300, and now again, stock's still trying to move its way on up. So if the stock starts spiking up once again, guess what I can do? We do know that we are going to be having resistance up near this trend line. And again, once the stock comes up towards maybe around 27.40 or so, we can go ahead and look for another shorting opportunity. So the stock is starting to move its way on up. Let's see how much higher this play can get itself up towards. Maybe again, a break of $27 up towards around 27.50 to 27.40. That's where again, we could go ahead and say to ourselves, hey, that's another great shorting opportunity. So far, we've been able to make $1,300 because we're just playing the stock on the bearish side of the trend line. Stock's running up towards around 27 bucks right here, 27 right here. Not too bad, not too shabby. Let's do 1,000 shares at the moment. Let's just do 1,000 shares on the short side. Let's see how much more it has left in the tank right here. And we're going to do our last 1,000 right here in 27.60. So again, I'm shorting my last little two right here. Now again, I'm in at 27.38, currently up $1,300. Let's see if this keeps on dropping. I'm up $1,700 at this moment. Stock's getting really choppy, up to another 2,000. Let's lock in half our shares right here. Locking in half our shares at the moment on this play. We know again that top trend line resistance. Stock just dropped right back on down. Let's lock it out. Just made $3,000. Guys, these hands, guys. They're just made to trade. Just made to trade. Guys, let's get back into it, baby. Let's get back into it. We know again where resistance is at. We know where support's at. I'm feeling good today. I just got a little bit of energy coming up my spine, twiggling into my shoulders and out my fingertips, ready to absolutely explode like lightning. Guys,